I'm Ilze, psychologist and a human behavior specialist who studied how we as human beings work for all the 30 years that I have been a psychologist. I am married, I have children, I'm a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm a friend, I'm a colleague, and I have learned over all these years how challenging relationships can be. But it doesn't have to be. You can change the form of your relationships, whether it's with your spouse, your children, your teenager, your friend, your sister, your brother, your mother-in-law, your colleague, your neighbor. All you need is to have the right tools, the right mindset, and the right approach to make relationships work. So therefore, I'm going to present an in-person workshop in Johannesburg for 4 hours to share life-changing life skills, approaches and techniques to make relationships work. I have been the anchor psychologist for a TV series called Saving Our Marriage in 2018, and we're going to be shooting the next season in 2019. And I'm really inspired to share with you great tools to make relationships work. Because a relationship that works is heaven on earth. A relationship that doesn't work is hell. Let's make life heaven on earth with really great relationships.